continue with the same chapter, that is chapter 5, which deals with the topic plant reproduction. So my dear students, before knowledge based exam, we have studied this chapter and we have completed few topics like germination process, sexual reproduction and formation of seeds. So in today's class we will start with another topic, that is seed dispersal. So in a plant it is very much important to have this process which is called as dispersal of seed. So now what is a seed dispersal or a dispersal of seed? So the process of scattering of seeds away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal. So what do you mean by seed dispersal? So sometimes this sort of question may come as a definition of seed dispersal during an exam. So what you can write is the process of scattering of seeds away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal, or you can write as dispersal of seeds. Now why this seed dispersal is very much important during a plant is, now as we all know, plant cannot move by themselves. Now after the fertilization process which takes place during the plant, now formation of seeds can be seen. Now what happens is, now if the seeds which are produced after the fertilization process falls under the parent plant, so it will be overcrowded. Now if there are more number of seeds in a small area under a parent plant, so there won't be enough nutrients for those seeds which falls under the parent plant. Now they require proper nutrients, proper water, proper air in order to grow. So now if these factors are not there, or if these important things are not there under a parent plant or there in a small area, so it will be very much difficult to grow a plant. So in order to get these proper factors or proper nutrients, air, moisture, so what process has to take place there in a seed is dispersal of seed has to take place. So now if dispersal of seed takes place there in the seed, so they will be getting a wide area, and in wide area they will be getting ample of nutrients to absorb. So that is why this dispersal of seed is very much important there in a seed. Now how are seeds dispersed? So this sort of question may ask, or sometimes this kind of question may come during the exam also. Now how are seeds dispersed? So this question may arise in your mind also. Now seeds have special features that help them to disperse. So seeds possesses some sort of special features after which they will be ready for seed dispersal. So seeds have special features that help them to disperse. So they will be having some sort of special features with the help of which they can carry from, they will be carrying from one place to another by different means or by different factors. Now some factors that help in the dispersal of seeds are wind, water, animals and human beings. So what are the factors which will help in the dispersal of seed? So this question may arise in your mind also. So in order to take some particular thing from one place to another, some sort of agents are required or some sort of factors are required. So what are those factors which help in the dispersal of seed are wind, water, animals and human beings. So wind, water, even animals and human beings, they help in the dispersal of seeds. And these factors like wind, water, animals and human beings, they are known as agents. So what are the agents for seed dispersal? If this sort of question comes in your exam, what you can write is the agents which help in the seed dispersal are wind, water, animals and human beings. So even human beings help in the dispersal of seeds. So dispersal of seeds is very much important in a plant, and these are the factors which help in the process called seed dispersal. Now let us discuss these agents of seed dispersal in much detail. So as I told you, there are 4 different factors which help in dispersal of seed, like air, water, animals and human beings. So let us start with the first one, that is dispersal by wind. So now some seeds are very light, they are easily carried to a new place by the wind. So how this wind helps to disperse the seed from one place to other is, now some seeds like seeds of orchids, these seeds are very light and this can be easily carried along with the wind. So it will carry this seed from one place to other where these seeds of orchids grow with the proper warmth, with the proper nutrients which they get from that particular area. Now the second kind of dispersal is called as dispersal by water. So the plants which grows nearby water or there in the water, so these seeds will be held by this water. So the seeds can be carried from one place to other with the help of water. So the seeds of fruits that grow around water such as lotus and coconut are carried by water. So this lotus and coconut are grown there in the water bodies or in water area. So now the seeds of lotus and coconut will be carried with the help of water. So they can be dispersed with the help of water. So agents like water will help to carry the seeds of lotus and coconut from one place to other, after which they grow in a proper or with the proper nutrients and with proper condition. Now the third one is dispersal by animals. So some plants have juicy fruits that animals and birds like to eat. So what animals usually do there in the forest is they go in search of food or fruits. So when they take these fruits, so after eating, the seeds also will be swallowed and these will be coming out through excreta. And the remaining seeds which are thrown away as an excreta from the body of animals, these will grow there in the particular area where the animals has left their excreta. And the seeds which are there in that particular area or the portion will get proper nutrients, proper water, proper warmth, after which they will be growing as a new plant. So the seeds of these fruits pass into their excreta and are released at different places. So when these animals eat these fruits or the juicy part, so after eating they throw away the unwanted products from their body as an excreta. So when they release from their body, when they release the waste from their body, so that waste also contains some seeds, and that particular seeds will grow in that area or region with proper conditions which are necessary for a seed to grow as a new plant. So my dear students, this is how these agents or the factors like wind, water, animals as well as human beings helps in dispersal of seed, in taking the seed from one place to another and growing into a huge large plant. So these are the important things which are very much necessary to learn, and whatever is taught in today's class is revise properly and do all the works whatever is said in the previous class, and kindly revise whatever is taught in today's class, and in next upcoming class we will be learning some more topics from this chapter, that is plant reproduction. So till then, stay safe, dedicate your time in studies. Thank you.